Ay, kunyari ako ang host. Good afternoon, everybody. I'd like to introduce our birthday boy today. And he's going to sing and dance.
Nanood kami nung Itbulaga, napanood niya yung That's My Boy. Alam mo yung That's My Boy? Sabi niya, kaya niya raw din yun.
Sana siya.
Sige. So, anong title nung kanta?
That's My Day, mamaya.
That's My Boy.
Ano to? Interview, tsaka ipapakilala, tsaka yung talent portion. Okay na, 1, 2, 3. Tan 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 tan.
Okay, go.
Tan 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 tan. That's my boy.
Invite.
Go. Yeah!
Tayo.
Si Mani pa kayo. Mani kayo. Wala. Si Alexander Giona Espiritu, 5 years old. And that's my boy. Monto ng Canada.
Yes!
Yeah!
May kasabihin po tayo. Batang mabait. Napapalang ng langit.
Nagpapala.
Oh, nangyari ito.
Nakasalihin niyo talaga niya.
Dapat mag-isip.
Ayun na!
Wala.
Talent portion.
Wala.
Oh, Julian.
Ano yan?
Good. Andiyan yan.